Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody emailed me today and they've noticed in some of my videos I bring up an online calculator a lot. I bring it up a lot by accident. But that's a keyboard on my keyboard. I have a Dell laptop, so that's a key on my laptop. I don't think all keyboards have that. And so this really isn't a Corel function. This is a Windows function. So if you go to your start menu, and I'm not a guru of Windows, but mine is already visible, but I'm just going to hit calculator. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to pin it to the taskbar. Look at that. Now, if I want a calculator, I can just go get it right here. And that will always be there until you unpin it. And then all you have to do is close it, but it's still there. It's not quite as nice as my calculator key, but sometimes I wish I didn't have it because I've hit it so much by mistake during a video. It is pretty handy when you're figuring things out, especially in CorelDraw to, how many times will 30 go into 360, and things like that. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.